is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And welcome back, everyone. A beautiful shot sent in by Larry Marr, taking a peek at Pikes Peak from Colorado Springs on this beautiful and mild MLK Day. Temperatures not quite officially into the Weather Center just yet. We should have that information coming in at 6 o'clock, but I saw unofficially at our studio today a temperature as high as 52 degrees, so certainly warmer than average. Tonight, though, things are changing. Look at the thickening cloud cover here across southern Colorado and beginning to see some snow out towards Montrose, Durango, even approaching Grand Junction tonight. These areas, especially the southern San Juans, will bear the brunt of this next storm system that moves in overnight and into the day on Tuesday. Right now positioned over California with the moisture moving out ahead of it. And storm number 1 will bring some changes here to southern parts of the state as we make our way throughout the next 18 to 24 hours. That system not alone, though. We have a second system that's spinning in the Pacific Ocean. This one moves in Wednesday and Thursday. Latest models keeping it well north of us, so we're backing off a little bit tonight on the snow chances. And if you watched over the weekend, you remember I was saying really crossing our fingers we get any moisture, and I'm even crossing them more tonight, if that makes sense. So we will see mostly snow impacts for the mountains tonight through Thursday. Now the model a little bit deceiving. See how much moisture is showing up here tomorrow morning? I think the model is picking up on moisture in the mid and upper levels. This is actually a high-res model, so it tends to do that from time to time. I'd be surprised if anything falls east of I-25, at least along the corridor during the day. Better chances are going to be down here where you see the darker green. Might see some rain or some freezing drizzle into Baca counties, Broward County, any areas east of Colorado out towards the Kansas and Nebraska state lines. And then the snow, of course, falling in the mountains, keeping our skies cloudy but generally dry here in our neck of the woods. So as you're playing your day tomorrow, here's what we expect to see. Daytime highs are going to be up into the mid 40s, or I should say mid to upper 40s around the Springs. We'll be back to near 50 degrees in Pueblo with cloudy to mostly cloudy skies on Tuesday. And then looking out over the next couple of days, this is the first system again which really favors the mountains and the eastern plains for any precipitation. Another system comes in, that one out in the Pacific, on Wednesday. But notice again, most of the snow stays out here across the Rockies and the Continental Divide. That one will bring in some colder air though to wrap up the week. So we'll be in the 50s or upper 40s the next few days, and then down about 10 degrees as we head into Thursday and Friday. So here's a look at your lows tonight. We'll be down to 28 Monument, 26 in the Springs. This is much more mild than what we saw over the weekend. That's because of the thickening cloud cover out there this evening. Forecast highs tomorrow, down a few degrees, 46 Monument, 48 in the Springs, 51 in Canyon City, 45 in Woodland Park. So pretty dry, I'd say, over the next 7 days. Flurry with a question mark on Wednesday, maybe into Thursday morning, possibly some flurries up towards the Palmer Divide. Any area east of the mountains, that's probably the most favorable spot. See the cool down Thursday and Friday with some wind, and then nice and mild heading into the weekend as we're back to the 50s with plenty of sunshine. For Pueblo, 50 and 54 the next 2 days. Mild. I've taken out the chance of snow or rain here as we should see dry skies but some cooler weather heading into the end of the week. Canyon City, it's a short work week and we're looking pretty good on Tuesday with some clouds, maybe an isolated flurry or some rain on Wednesday, but not expecting much accumulation at all out here in Fremont County. Teller County as well looks dry out towards Woodland Park, at least on Tuesday. Then a slight chance of some snow here heading into Wednesday, but storm impact scale pretty low at just a 1. Cold on Thursday with a high there at about 38 degrees. Robin, Elizabeth?